Alright, my screen looks like a tie-dye t-shirt. Good morning, Chris here. So, I wanted to talk about pivot points coming into the day. So, pivot points, if you don't already know, I do these all the time and with pretty good accuracy. A pivot, when I'm talking about it, it's just a time of day when the markets will reverse. And I like doing this on short term and long term. The short term is the most fun because then we can all say, oh look, we timed the market to the minute, right? Something like that. Okay, so let me just get this into a better color before I move on. Yellow's pretty good. Okay, so I've overlaid these Fibonacci sequences all over each other from the tops and the bottoms of each of the waves from this Elliott wave channel. Okay, so I got my first one, second one, third one, and we really don't care what's going on in this area because that already happened. What we care about is what's going on in this area. So if I'm looking right now, I see right here there are actually two pivot lines overlaid on top of each other. You see there is this one right here, and then there is the most recent one right here. So these are all on top of each other. And what does that mean for us in the market? That means that there's probably going to be a market reversal there. So if I'm looking just at the market right now, like just on a simply SPY, after JP Morgan's earnings, it looks like it's going up. So if we go up into that that one pivot right there, which just letting you know it's at 950 this morning. If we go up into that, then after that we should start expecting a downswing. If we open and we actually start drifting lower in the morning, that means we should expect an upswing once we hit there. Okay, so that's the first one. Second one that's going on is, notice that there are 1, 2, and 3 pivots sitting between 1:30 and 2 o'clock, and 2 of them are actually sitting right on top of each other at 2 o'clock. This 131, actually, yeah, let me just get an exact time. Yeah, that one's 1:20, and then this one is about 2 o'clock. So if I'm using both of those, that means that we should expect a very large reversal about them because there's so many that are sitting on top of each other. So pretty much when I do these things, I would say, okay, if we're going up into this, if I have 2 pivots in one day, I simply say, if we're moving up into this, this is the high of the day, and either at 1:20 or 2 o'clock, that's going to be the low of the day. We could do something like that. So that's my predictions for today. Keep those numbers in mind. All right, thanks for watching.